What if I told you that right now, in this very moment, there is a single thought running through your mind that is silently destroying every chance you have at building real wealth? Not the economy, not your job, not your family background, not your education. One single thought, and the most terrifying part, you do not even know you are thinking it. Welcome to the Wealth Blueprint. Today I am going to show you something that will change the way you see money forever. Not theory, not motivation posters. Real, proven psychology that the wealthiest people on this planet have used for decades to separate themselves from the crowd. Let me ask you something. The last time you saw something you wanted, a better car, a real estate opportunity, a business idea, an investment, what was the very first thought that came to your mind? For most people, it is 3 words: I cannot afford it. And just like that, the thought is gone. The possibility is gone. The opportunity is gone. You move on, you go back to your routine, and you tell yourself you are just being responsible. But here is what the wealthy person thinks in that exact same moment. They do not ask themselves if they can afford it. They ask themselves a completely different question. They ask, how can I afford this? Do you hear the difference? It is not about whether you have the money right now. It is about activating your brain to find a path toward what you want. This principle was made famous by Robert Kiyosaki in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, one of the most influential financial books ever written. He spent years studying why some people build extraordinary wealth while others with the same opportunities stay financially stuck for decades. And he found that it almost always came down to a single mental habit, the language people used in their own minds. When you say, I cannot afford it, your brain stops working. It closes. It accepts the statement as final and moves on. There is nothing more to explore. But when you ask, how can I afford this? Your brain treats it like a problem to be solved. It activates creativity, resourcefulness, and possibilities you did not know existed. This is not wishful thinking. This is neuroscience. Research has shown consistently that the way we frame questions to ourselves directly changes which neural pathways activate in response. A closed statement produces a closed response. An open question activates every problem-solving circuit in your brain simultaneously. Wealthy people are not smarter than you. They are not luckier than you. They have trained themselves to ask better questions in the moments that matter most. Think about the people you know who always seem to find a way. They lose a job, and within 3 weeks they have 2 consulting clients. They face a financial setback, and within a month they have restructured their expenses and found a new income stream. These are not people with more resources. These are people with a different default mental habit. And it started with one question they learned to ask automatically. Now I want you to be honest with yourself. How many times in the last 12 months did you say, I cannot afford it, and walk away from something that could have changed your life? How many courses did you pass on? How many investment opportunities did you dismiss before you even researched them? How many ideas did you kill before they had a chance to breathe all because your first thought shut down the possibility before it could develop? Here is the hardest truth I am going to give you today. Poverty is not just a financial condition. It is a thinking pattern, and thinking patterns are habits, and habits, once you understand them, can be changed, not by wishing, not overnight, but by consistently interrupting the old pattern and installing a new one in its place. This is exactly what I want you to do starting today. Every single time you feel the impulse to say, I cannot afford it, stop yourself, physically interrupt the thought, and replace it with a question. How could I make this happen if I absolutely had to? You do not need the answer immediately. The point is to keep the question open, because an open question keeps your brain working for you instead of against you. Let me give you a real-world example of how powerful this shift is. A young man named Marcus was working an hourly job and dreaming about investing in real estate. Every time he looked at a property, his immediate reaction was, I could never afford that. He walked away from opportunity after opportunity. A mentor eventually challenged him to change just one word in his thinking. Instead of I cannot afford this, he had to ask, how could I make this work? That single shift led him to explore partnerships, creative financing, and house hacking strategies he had never considered before. Within 2 years, he owned his first income property without using any of his own money. The opportunity was always there. The question is what unlocked it. This is the difference between someone who stays at the same income level for 30 years and someone who builds a portfolio that gives them true freedom before they are 50. It is not talent. It is not connections. It is the discipline to ask a better question in the exact moment when it matters most. Now let me give you the second layer, because the question alone is not enough. The real work is what you do when your brain starts giving you answers. Most people, even after asking the right question, immediately start shooting down every idea that surfaces. Too risky, too complicated, too slow. I do not have time for that, and they are right back where they started. The second habit of wealthy thinkers is this: they evaluate ideas before they eliminate them. They do not kill possibilities at birth. They explore them just long enough to determine whether there is a real path forward. Give yourself a rule. Every time a new financial idea comes to mind, do not dismiss it for at least 24 hours. Write down 3 ways that idea could possibly work, no matter how imperfect or incomplete. The goal is not to have a perfect plan. The goal is to keep the circuit open. Because the right answer almost never comes in the first 5 minutes. It comes after you have given your brain time and permission to work. The people watching this channel are not here by accident. You are here because something in you already knows that your financial situation can be different. You have the desire. You have the courage to look for better information. Now you need the mental framework to back it up with consistent action. The one thought that separates millionaires from everyone else is not a complicated formula. It is not a secret investment strategy or a privileged connection. It is a question. Simple, powerful, and relentless. How can I afford this? How can I build this? How can I create what I want from where I am right now? Start asking that question today. Ask it about everything. Let your brain do what it was always built to do: solve problems, find paths, and create possibilities out of situations that look impossible. The wealth you want is not on the other side of a lucky break. It is on the other side of a better question. And now you know what that question is. Leave a comment below and tell me what is the one thing you have been telling yourself you cannot afford that you are going to reframe starting today. Your answer might be exactly what someone else in this community needs to hear. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and join us every day as we build this blueprint together. See you in the next video.